Shenzhen Xinfeng Yuan Plastic Products Company Limited was founded in 2011, a production-oriented enterprise of general taxpayers. The company has passed the International Quality System certification of ISO 9001, specializing in the production of OPP, CPP, PE, AI, PET, PP, VMPET, and other materials of plastic soft packaging bags and automatic packaging roll film. Here are our main products: laminated bag, zipper lock bags, stand-up pouches, flat bottom bags, side gusset bag, head card bags, food packaging bags, gift jewelry packaging bag, electronic data line packaging bag, vacuum bag, handheld bag, vegetable packaging bag, coffee bag, rice vacuum bag, underwear bags, mask sheet bags, cosmetic packaging bags, dog food bags, fruit bags. The company has advanced soft packaging production line and testing equipment, including automatic 9-color computer printing machine, compound machine, curing room, 3 pieces vertical zipper bag making machine with 3 and 4 and 8 side sealed computer cutting machine, folding machine. Here also has advanced enterprise management, a group of professional technicians with detailed division of labor, multiple audits, strict control, first confirmation, then production, and special personnel tracking, which greatly reduces the loss of the company and customers. At the same time, ensuring the quality to pass the customs, there is a team of person in charge of the after-sales service, so that customers can be more assured and satisfied with us products.